In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document into a Google Doc using Google Drive. This is a straightforward process, and whether you're doing this for collaboration, easy access, or just for the convenience of Google's powerful suite of tools, I've got you covered. First things first, you'll want to start by signing into your Google account. Make sure you're logged into the account that you intend to use for this process. If you haven't done this already, go to the Google homepage and look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click it, enter your credentials, and you'll be all set. Once you're logged in, make your way over to Google Drive. You can easily do this by either typing drive.google.com into your browser or by selecting the Google Drive option from the grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps waffle, in the upper right of the screen. Once there, you're ready to upload the Word document you want to convert. To do this, glance over to the left-hand side of the page and locate the New button. This is usually a big, colorful button, likely blue or green, that should be hard to miss. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. This will prompt you to navigate through your computer's hard drive. At this point, locate the Word document you intend to upload. It should be in either the .doc or .docx format. Double-check the document name or its location if needed, then select it and click Open. Now you've successfully uploaded your file to Google Drive, but we're not finished yet. You'll need to convert this Word document into a Google Doc format to fully utilize Google's features and make it easier for others to collaborate with you in real time. Let's find the file in Drive. You should see it listed right on the main page if it was uploaded recently. Otherwise, a quick search should bring it up. Once you've found it, right-click on the file. A menu will pop up with several options. From this list, hover over Open With, and a secondary menu will appear. You should see Google Docs listed as one of the options. Go ahead and click on it. What happens now is that Google Docs will automatically create a new copy of your document in Google's format, leaving your original Word file intact. And there you have it. You've converted a Word document into a Google Doc. Now you can seamlessly edit, share, and collaborate with others in real time. This transition not only keeps the formatting and content of your document intact, but also enables all the conveniences of Google's cloud-based platform. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!